Welcome to Arcades Digital Training. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make use of basic formulas, like how do we sum and then how do we use multiplication. So we will see those two formulas. Here, if you look at, I have a category of item and then there is a cost. So if you see, item number 1 cost is 120 rupees, item number 2 is 55 rupees. Like that I have given all the items and their respective costs. Now what I wanted to do is, I wanted to see what is the total cost. It is something as, say for example, you went to a grocery store and then you have purchased different items. At the end you wanted to calculate the bill, the sum of all these values. So how do I do it? You have to write the total and then go to the next cell, enter is equal to, and whenever you wanted to make sum, just write sum and then left bracket, and from which value to which value you wanted to add, just select the first value and then drag and till the end of the value where you wanted to calculate. So that is from B2 to B11. So close bracket and then enter. Automatically if you see, the total value is 1009 rupees. So you can do the same thing in different ways. Say for example, if you select everything, you can see the sum value here 1009 rupees. The same thing you got it using the formula also. So if at all you wanted to make this in between, so just use this option to make the text into middle. So that is how you will be able to show the sum. So now what I wanted to do, I wanted to enter some quantity. Say for example, the quantity, let's say I have taken this one as 2 and 5 and then 6, and then this is only 1, this is 7, 9, 0 or else 1 and 2, then 4 and then 7. So now what I wanted to do, so for one item cost is 120 rupees. If I wanted to do it for two items, how do I do it? Use the formula. To enter the formula, you have to press is equal to and select the value and multiply with quantity and enter. So if you look at this, automatically 120 into 2 has come. So now you can drag this one. If you look at, there is a plus symbol and you no need to enter the formula again for the next cells. Directly if you do this way, automatically the formula will be calculated. If you look at here, the formula will get displayed. Okay, hope this helps. Keep watching and look for more videos. Thank you.